characteristic of each modes of transportation. In transportation, there are 5 modes of transport: air, sea, railway, road, pipeline. Speed also refers to elapsed movement time by the mode of transport from point A to point B. Air is the fastest mode of transport because air transportation affords a distinct advantage in low transit time over long distances. Air transport speeds supply for moving emergency ships in terms of spoilage and lost sales or productivity. Sea, road, railway, pipeline. Air. Accessibility is the ability of a mode to service any given pair of locations. Air have limited accessibility, so air transport rely on land carrier to transport freight to and from the airport. Water carriers are limited in their movement by the availability of lakes, rivers, canals, and waterways. Thus, it only can be operating when sufficient water is available. Road transport have major advantage because it helps people to travel and carry goods from one place to another in places which are not connected by other means of transport like hilly areas. Rail transportation only travel over rail tracks, and a rail carrier cannot deviate from the route that the trackage follows. Capability is an ability of a mode to handle any transport requirement such as load size. Sea transport. It can handle all types and size of cargo. Rail, road, and air transport are generally not restricted on the types of cargo that they can transport. Pipeline only can transport certain commodities such as gas, liquid, and water based on consistency and repeatability of supply goods. Road transport provide door-to-door, terminal-to-terminal services. Sea, air, and rail transport depends on performance of road transport and weather conditions. Pipeline provide their own right-of-way, one of the most reliable transport, but only to the certain commodities such as gas, liquid, and water. Approximate 70% to 90% equal to VC, fuel, labor, and maintenance. 10 to 30% FC, road or highways. High fixed costs, land, terminal, and rail track. Low variable costs, fuel and labor. Approximate 80% equal to variable costs, fuel, users fees, labor, and maintenance. 20% equal to fixed costs, aircraft, specialized handling systems, and cargo containers. Approximate 85% equal to variable costs, renting, operating, handling costs, operating rents, and maintenance. 15% equal to fixed costs, ship, specialized handling systems, and cargo containers. Highest fixed costs, construction, control station, and pumping capacity. Lowest variable costs, labor and maintenance,